Hi guys, today we're going to be learning about an unusual fruit called Kiwano. Number 1. The Kiwano's spiky bright orange skin is used in movies to show alien vegetation because of its unusual appearance. Number 2. It is native to sub-Saharan Africa, but it is also grown in New Zealand, Australia, and America. Number 3. Besides Kiwano and horn melon, this fruit is also called the African horned cucumber and hedged gourd. Number 4. While most people eat only the jelly-like flesh inside, the skin is also edible, but is described as tough and bitter. Number 5. Kiwano contains about 90% water, which makes it a hydrating snack. Number 6. Kiwano is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system. Number 7. It also contains magnesium, which is known to help regulate mood and reduce stress. Number 8. The spiky outside of Kiwano helps protect it from being eaten by animals and also reduces water loss. Number 9. A whole Kiwano contains 44 calories. And number 10. It tastes like a mix of cucumber, kiwi, and banana. Wow! These are really cool facts about the Kiwano fruit. I can't believe it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to our video. Goodbye.